Hi, today I'm here to talk about that I was studying many things. I was studying about things that may don't have a real must now. How? I will explain. I was studying about OBA, astronomy, astronautics. I went to Linux. Before I think I was in Yes, I was in Python, and the study for the OBA and the Linux is good. Okay, maybe I would get the gold medal in OBA and had some opportunities, and in Linux is useful. Have many jobs, many areas that Linux is useful, but may this isn't what I must study now. Now I need to see what I will do with my life. Then I'm seeking for a job. I'm seeking for a work to make money, and I'm seeking for the ways to make money because I need to make money to live. Then the job is the first way that I'm thinking to make money. I'm thinking start as a Python junior developer. Then to become the Python junior developer, I must study Python. I must understand everything about Python, everything about the Python's libraries, and maybe I need to understand some related technologies, like I need to understand a bit about Git, GitHub, open source, Docker, Bash, how to run VS Code, some other technologies. But stay studying Linux. Okay, I will become an expert in Linux. I will understand how Linux works. Maybe this isn't what I must study now for become a Python junior developer. Because what I need more is the knowledge of Python, is how to program in Python, how to develop things in Python, and this knowledge of Python and its libraries. But Linux, GitHub, Docker, Bash is secondary, but is important also. This depends in the job that you will found. Have many jobs that is a must have the GitHub. Have other jobs that is a must have a strong level in English. Have other jobs that is a must have experience with Django. This depends many times, but I must do what have more efficient, more accuracy to become and do what I want to do. Like I want to become a Python junior developer, then I must study Python, I must study how Python works, a little bit about GitHub, a little bit about Bash, have a strong level in English, and may other related technologies that have having specific jobs. But this is my plan now: become a Python junior developer, find a job, and found find some ways to make money to start my career, start my career in any way. This being having a job like uh, 8 hours per day, 8 hours daily job, or a entrepreneurship job, or starting be, or become an entrepreneur, have my own company, or making money online with courses, with anything. Then I don't know, but what I will do now is focus on become the and find a job in the software area. I can work in any field that have a relation with Python, because I'm studying more about Python. This is the software, the programming language that I want to work. I have knowledge in HTML and CSS, and I can also upgrade to JavaScript, TypeScript, React, but this isn't my goal, isn't what I want. I want to more understand the Python and become the master of Python. If I would work in other things in HTML, CSS would be second. My first option, my goal is understand the Python, work with Python. Because Python isn't only useful to work, a job is useful to automate tasks, to work with AI, machine learning, and this is the field that I like, that I want to work. This is what I will study now. Focus on Python, focus on this programming language. I can study about other things also, because I needed to have other knowledge. May have a little bit about Linux can be useful, and when I would find a job, I will start to understand more the Linux word, because I think that it's is useful, is meaning our word in our word. Linux is very, you don't need a deep knowledge about Linux to start to use Linux. You to start to use the distros, and I can study the Python, study a little bit about Linux, enjoy the Linux distro, and do the both, because start to use other operational system isn't so okay. I will stop my life to use other operational system. No, I can remove the Windows and use the Linux Mint, because now Linux isn't only for hackers. Linux isn't only for people that have deep knowledge on programming, on software. It's to normal people. You can use the Linux Mint, and it's like Windows. It's like Windows. You don't need to use the terminal. You don't need to have any deep knowledge on software. You only need to use the operational system. This it's my idea now, and I also have problems with school. I go to school, but my school is very bad. I don't learn enough in school. I spent 2 years coding at school and don't learn almost nothing. Studying by myself, I can learn more than I need to to find how to deal with this part of my life, the school. Because if I spent my time in school, school is very bad. I don't learn nothing. It's 5 hours per day. More is 36 hours per week that I spent doing nothing. This is almost the time I would have having a job. This isn't good for me. I needed to found better ways to organize my life, to study, to go deep in the fields that I needed to improve. Then I don't like the idea of having a job forever. I like more the idea of becoming an entrepreneur. But for now, I will have a job, see how companies work, see how this world works, and maybe later I would start my own company, start my startup, and see more about these areas with more experience. Then making money is my focus now. I need money, but money isn't everything. You shouldn't only focus on money. I think this is a part of my life that I needed to deal with, to surpass, and after I will do other things and found my field, my areas that I will like more. This is what I'm doing now. I hope you like it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.